Good morning, YouTube. We've got the Jolt opening numbers coming up, and about 6 minutes. I still want to see the dollar go lower, and I actually did take a trade in London with the pounds. I want to see this sell side here get tagged. I have this low yesterday, or I guess Friday. I wanted to see it come up there and hit that. Didn't get it. Monday, didn't get it. So we're gonna see if this wants to continue lower. Looks like it does. This is the only imbalance that's left. We came up, I mean, obviously we have an imbalance here, but I'm not really looking for it to take out this swing high. That would be a break in market structure potentially to continue higher. So if we can get up in here in the news and then continue lower. Now we did take out Monday's low, right, just by a little bit, but we didn't completely fill in the gap from Sunday open. And since we're this low, I would just expect it to take out the low here. So let's go into the juicy stuff. So as you can see down here, I did take a trade before the Aussie cash rate. So let me show you what I was thinking there. I wanted to get out before the news hit, right? So I was in it about an hour before. And we came up into this imbalance here. It was only about, how many pips is that? 21. It was only 13 pips. I didn't want to stay in it during the actual announcement. I was hoping that it would run up there before the news, but I didn't get the full. I missed out, as you could see, probably 63, so about 30 more pips, but that was after the news released. So that was a quick little scalp there. And then the pound, 1509. And I took it at 807. Alright, so it was in this candle here. We came down into this imbalance here, which is also inside this candle. So I took a buy. Now it got 40 pips. I didn't take 40 pips, I took 30. Along with the Aussie trade, it was $1,000 day. So with the big news we got coming out in 2 minutes, and then for the remainder of the week, I'm going to remain flat for the week. So the account is up 3% now. I also messed up on my payout. My payout was supposed to be today. Well, I guess technically on Friday. But I guess apparently I clicked on November 29th instead of October 29th, which, no excuse. And unfortunately, FTMO can't help me out. They can't change it. So I'm going to have this account open for another month. So we're going to try to see if we can, get to about 10%, which would be nice. So I just wanted to show take another trade, and we're still up. So let's see, we got news coming out in 10 seconds. I'm looking for the pound to come up here. Not a big fan of these lows here. And news just hit. So I would like to see it come up here. Same thing with the euro. Okay, Emma. My cat's got the zoomies. Oops. Yeah, like that, blasted through it. Now, I always say this, I don't care about the numbers itself, because it's just used for manipulation, but let's see what the numbers were. Stop, baby. Come on, go. They were expecting 9.75 million job openings. There was 10.72 million, so it's a pretty big jump. Which in theory, I guess you'd say would be bad for the currency. I guess it's good for the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve said they wanted... Wait, the Federal Reserve wanted... No, they want less job openings. They want to close that gap. So that is not what the Fed wants to see, I believe. When it comes to the Fed, I watch Meet Kevin, because that dude... He's a pretty intelligent dude, and I think he gets some things wrong. He was on board with the Fed back when he said inflation was transitory, and I knew it wasn't, but he's a smart dude, intelligent. So whenever the Fed talks about, actually, he released a video I think about 30 minutes ago that I'm gonna watch after this stream. After this video, not stream. So we didn't take out this high, which is good. This is, bearish order block. So we'll see if this will hold. When I took that buy, right, I saw these equal lows, and I wasn't very confident taking the trade. I left 20 pips on the table, and even more. Let's see, my entry was at 1509. So we got 55 pips from my entry. So you saw, right, I got this right up. We came into a bearish order block, came back and reaccumulated into my entry. So if I didn't take profit there, right, price is coming back down. You see this, and you could sit there and say, well, they could reaccumulate here and we should get another push up, or we could just be reversing into here. And I took 30 pips, so I didn't have to worry about this retracement. And now it looks like pump, pump, pump. Wow, just gonna come up here, come up in this area, and then reverse when I said I don't want to see it come above this high. Well, we will see tomorrow where price landed us. I don't like making these videos too long. I want people to, see a 10-12 minute video, click on it for a few, see, just to see my content. So I'm gonna leave it there. It looks like we're gonna go for this low now and this low and continue on this bearish downturn. I mean, the weekly, the daily, we're bouncing off of this bullish order block. See if we go above these highs into this area. Well, that's going to do it for me. If you guys got in a trade, hopefully you stole some pips from the market. If you lost, hopefully you didn't get smoked too bad. Be safe. Catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks.